babe, I can't wait. Please show me the surprise.
Don't worry, baby. I'll show you.
What?
Shamona, my love, will you marry me?
Oh gosh, you are such an amazing person. Yes, I'll marry you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Fire boy, yeah, so. Ooh, yeah.
What's wrong, bro?
I'm sorry. I need your help.
What do you mean, babe?
It's no longer your main name. Actually, my name is Chokona Kuta. I was murdered here.
What the hell are you saying?
Just come.
Where are you taking me to? Bro,
Come see my boat here. Come.
Oh. What? What happened? Is he dead?
Go bring my parents here. Mr. and Mrs. Kota from Chikwana village. My parents are looking for you. Please help. You are the only person who can help.
I'll see what I can